Most teens waste their weekends and don't even realize it. They wake up at noon, scroll for 3 hours straight, eat whatever's closest, and then wonder why Sunday night feels heavy and Monday feels worse. But here's the thing, your weekend doesn't have to be miserable or boring to be productive. In fact, the best kind of weekend leaves you feeling rested, accomplished, and actually ready for the week. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a complete weekend routine, step by step, starting from Friday evening all the way to Sunday night. Every single part is covered: sleep, meals, prayer, study, movement, free time, everything. This is not boring to be productive video. This is real. This is sustainable. And if you follow even 70% of this, your life will genuinely shift. Let's get into it. Segment 1, Friday evening. The moment school ends or your last class wraps up, most teens switch into full zombie mode. Don't. Use the commute home, whether it's a bus, car, or walk, to mentally close the chapter on the school week. Think about what you finished, what's pending, and what you can let go of until Sunday. When you get home, give yourself a 20-minute decompression window. Take off your shoes, drink water, breathe, that's it. No phone yet. Before anything else, pray Asar. It takes less than 10 minutes and it sets the tone for the evening. Starting your weekend with prayer is one of the most grounding things you can do. It reminds you that rest is intentional, not just a collapse. Don't reach for chips or ultra-processed snacks the second you're home. Your body just ran a full day. Some good options: a banana with peanut butter, a handful of mixed nuts with some fruit, a yogurt with granola, or even a simple sandwich with real ingredients. Hydrate: a glass of water or a non-sugary drink. Your focus for the rest of the evening depends on this. Sit down physically with a notebook or your notes app and do a weekly reset. Write down what didn't get done this week that needs to happen this weekend. Any deadlines coming next week? One personal goal for the weekend, just one? This is not heavy planning. It's a 30-minute clarity session. It prevents that Sunday panic where you suddenly remember an assignment. Friday Maghrib is something special. After prayer, take a moment, make dua for the week that passed and the weekend ahead. Even 2 minutes of reflection after prayer can genuinely recenter you. Friday dinner should ideally be shared with family, with a friend, with someone. Actual conversation, no screens at the table. If you're eating alone, that's okay too, but sit at a table, not your bed. Eat a proper meal. Think protein, some carbs, vegetables. Your body needs real food to recover from the week. This is protected free time, no productivity pressure. Watch a show, play a game, FaceTime a friend, go for a walk, draw, do whatever actually recharges you. The key word is intentional. Choose what you're doing. Don't just fall into a scroll spiral with no direction. Pray Isha before you get too deep into the night. After prayer, if it's Friday, consider reading Surah Al-Kahf. It's a Friday sunnah and genuinely takes about 20 minutes. Start winding down by 10:30. Put your phone across the room or outside your door. Dim your lights or switch to a lamp. Do a quick skincare routine. Cleanser, moisturizer, that's it. Simple. Brush your teeth, drink a glass of water. No screens 30 minutes before sleep. Not negotiable if you want quality rest. Aim to be asleep by 11 p.m. Yes, even on a Friday. Sleep is not laziness, it's performance. Segment 2, Saturday. Set your alarm for 7:30 a.m. When it goes off, don't snooze. Sit up immediately, both feet on the floor. The first 60 seconds after waking determine the next hour. If you reach for your phone first, you've already lost 45 minutes to someone else's content before your brain has even fully switched on. If you're Muslim, Fajr prayer is your real alarm. Set it so you wake up before or at Fajr time. Pray. The peace you feel after praying Fajr on a Saturday morning before the world wakes up is something different, Try it. Saturday morning shower is a non-negotiable reset signal for your brain. It tells your body we are starting something new. Keep it functional. Wash your hair if needed. Use your body wash. Moisturize after. Get fully dressed, not in pajamas. Dress like someone who has a plan, even if it's casual. Don't skip this. Your brain runs on glucose, and if you skip breakfast, your focus crashes by 10 a.m. Build a breakfast that has protein, healthy fat, and some complex carbs. Options: eggs, any style, with toast and a piece of fruit. Oatmeal with nuts, honey, and banana. Greek yogurt with granola and berries. A smoothie with protein, spinach, banana, milk or yogurt, peanut butter. Eat slowly. Sit. This is not a grab-and-go moment on a Saturday. This is your most valuable window of the entire weekend. Your mind is fresh, the world is quiet, no notifications, no distractions. During this block, work on the hardest academic task first, an essay, a project, revision for an upcoming test. Phone is on Do Not Disturb or in another room. Clean your desk before you start. Do not check social media during this block, not once. After a long focus session, your body needs to move. This is not optional. Go outside if possible. Even 15 minutes of walking resets your nervous system, improves mood. Other options? Stretch. Do a short home workout. Ride your bike. Shoot hoops. Anything that gets you out of the chair and moving your body with purpose. A proper lunch, not a snack, not fast food if you can avoid it. Think. A grain, rice, pasta, bread. A protein, chicken, eggs, legumes, fish, and a vegetable. Simple to make, simple to buy if needed. Eat away from your desk. Take a proper break. You've earned it. Pray door after lunch. It's a natural reset point between your morning deep work and your afternoon session. This second block is for lighter academic or personal development tasks. Options: review notes from the week, work on a personal project or creative skill. Read a nonfiction book, even 20 pages. Learn something new, a language, coding, photography, whatever interests you. This session is less intense than the morning block. It's about consistency, not grinding. Pray Asr. After prayer, take 10 minutes to just sit, no task, no phone. Saturday afternoon is for the things that make life feel like life. This could be a hobby, art, cooking, photography, writing. Spending time with friends, in person, not just texting. Helping around the house, genuinely useful and underrated. Watching something you actually chose, not just what autoplay served you. The point is, this time should feel rewarding, not numb. Same rule as Friday. Eat properly. Eat with people if possible. No screens at the table. Cook something simple if you can. Even making your own dinner once a week is a genuinely powerful life skill. Light stretching or yoga. Journal. Even 3 sentences about what you accomplished and how you feel. Read something enjoyable, even podcast. Low stimulation activity. Pray Isha. If you missed any prayers during the day for any reason, make them up now before you sleep. Ending the day with prayer is one of the cleanest ways to close a Saturday. Same wind down routine, phone away, skincare, water, lights out by 11. Segment 3, Sunday. Wake up at the same time. Your body will thank you. For Muslim teens, Fajr prayer first, always. Same as Saturday. Get dressed in something you feel good in. Try something slightly different. If you had eggs Saturday, try oatmeal or a smoothie today. Variety keeps you from skipping it. Your environment affects your mindset more than most people realize. In 30 minutes, make your bed, clear your desk, take out any trash, put things back where they belong. That's it. Not a deep clean, a reset. When your space is clean, your thinking is clearer. Use Sunday morning to set yourself up for Monday. Review what's due this week. Prepare your school bag the night before. Finish anything left from Saturday. Read ahead for one subject, even one chapter. This is the block that eliminates Sunday panic. Pray dur, then take a short rest, 20 minutes, not a full nap, a reset. Sunday lunch can be something a little nicer. Cook something you enjoy. This is the meal that transitions you into the lighter part of Sunday. No work, no academic pressure, complete rest. Go outside, take a long walk, sit in a park, watch a movie or a show. This is not wasted time. Rest is what makes Monday's productivity possible. Pray asar, take time to make dua, for your week ahead, for your goals, for the people you care about. Sit down with your planner or notes app. Look at the upcoming week. Write questions about your week and note down the answers. This 20-minute session eliminates the Monday morning chaos almost entirely. Make it a good one. Sunday dinner is the close of the weekend. Treat it like a small ceremony. Eat well, be present. Lay out your clothes and bag for Monday. Do your skincare. Read or journal. Quiet. Pray Aisha. Spend 5 minutes in reflection. Simple, grounding, effective. Sunday sleep time moves up to 10 p.m. Monday morning is early. Protect it. Phone away, lights down. You've had a full intentional weekend. Rest now. Here's the truth about this routine. You don't have to do all of it to see the difference. Start with the Friday reset. Add the Saturday morning block. The goal isn't perfection. A weekend where you chose how to spend your time, instead of letting it disappear into an algorithm, is already a win. If you're Muslim, the prayer structure in this routine isn't an add-on. It's the backbone. It's the thing that makes everything else feel lighter and more purposeful. Subscribe if you want more content like this, because we're just getting started. See you in the next one.